Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching For. Another video of getting my equipment ready to go. I'm now I put the Osmo Pocket on there, so I got my hands free. This is what I purchased the other day. Here's a Lowrance. This is a 5-inch. This is a HDS system. HDS system is more of a professional line. It's only a 5-inch, but I think it'll do exactly what I need it to do. Along with that, I got a structure scan module. I just purchased the LLS 2 structure transducer to connect to this. Now, what this module does is make it so you can adapt it to the older model HDSs. The newer ones don't need the module. So this module, from what I've been researching, you can do the structure transducer, and you can also do the 3-in-1 active scan. So that takes care of that. I also bought a 7 HDS, first generation. That's what this, I believe this is a first generation. Might be second gen. I gotta look at the bottom, see exactly what, so we didn't really get a description when I bought it. I believe it's the exact same one here. And that has down scan. So now I have structure, which I can do side scanning and down scan, and then the other one will have down scan. What I want to eventually upgrade to is the structure 3D transducer. And here's one. He just gave me parts of whatever he had. I picked this whole system up for $100. Now the other one I picked up, I got for $250, and I went on eBay. You know, you want to bid on stuff like that. And then the structure scan I got for $100. You can get deals out there. You just gotta work with them, and you're putting things together. Oh, shoot. Sorry, Jared. I need to get my hat on, huh? It's down to 34 degrees here in the Finger Lakes. Next thing, what I need to do is I need to build up a plate that I can put all my stuff on. Something else I'm going to go ahead. See, I got the, it did give me some books with it. And this is 3D structure scan 3D transducer. So he did get that, or did have it at one time. So I hooked that. That might even plug into this. I haven't really looked at it. I know they do have a transducer that says 3D. I just got to get with a tech tomorrow. It's Sunday today, so I need to get with a tech and see exactly what's compatible. Not only the 3D, but of course I want to increase the size of my monitors. Eventually jumped to 10 and then to 12. They even have 16s. But of course, you know, we're talking money, here. So right now, I'm pretty much staying under under $1,000, which brand new. This stuff is probably $2,500. So you know, this is totally a volunteer, and I'm using my own funds. But it's all going to a good cause. This is my charity, contribution to being a volunteer and doing good things. What was the, I caught something that said there's almost 6,600 people that go missing annually. And, you know, I don't know how many of those are, you know, exploited children, or adults that go missing, homicides and stuff like that. I don't know if that is included in that, but I'm getting myself, of course, ready so I can participate in searches and recoveries. So here's the, and this is the total scan that goes with that one there. All right, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount all this. I gotta build me a mount. It's going right here. Next thing I gotta get is a trolling motor. I've gotta get a battery for it. I got regular automobile batteries kicking around when you need a deep cell marine battery for it. So I'm waiting for this to show up, the 7-inch. By that time I'll have my mounting. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a 1/2-inch thick piece of plywood, cut it to the same width, same length as this, and then use toggle bolts up through the bottom, and then I can bolt everything down. Stuff like this has its own screws, but when you go with mounting, do the mounting breaker. Mounting. I'm gonna have to rig up a mounting, build up a mounting bracket for this. Actually, what I really should do is build up a box. I'll go ahead and do what I need to do with the floor, but then build a box, and I can put the monitors in the box, and then it's shielded, it's light, so I don't have sun beaming down on it. So I think I'll think about doing that as well. Build me a couple boxes. Anyway, so that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And if you want to sponsor, reach out. If you've got something, if you need some searching done, reach out. Because if I can't do it, then I'll be passing it on to Adventures with Purpose, and of course I'll leave Adventures with Purpose link in my description, so you can reach out to them as well. Either way, we'll get the ball rolling. So in the meantime, I'll be doing my searches. I'll do magnet fishing, and I'll be sharing all that